First of all, it will make your clients feel appreciated. That weird word again, appreciated. It means they will feel like they are considered well of, that you really want them to be there. So, make sure you say thank you so that your clients feel that appreciation from you. If they have that feeling, you will build a strong relationship with your client. You are thanking them for their business, for just being there, for choosing you as a company. Tell them thank you for that and that you appreciate it, you respect them for choosing you. Thank yous make people smile. Of course, everybody wants to hear thank you. We remember from the facts, 77% of people wish they heard thank you more because it makes them smile. And finally, saying thank you in a warm and honest way will make your clients remember you, make them choose you again, make them recommend you to all their friends and family. So, how do we say a good thank you in English? First, let's look at a formal style. In a professional or business environment, you might want to give a formal way of speaking. You can also use these for maybe writing some emails in a more professional style. We've got 4 phrases here, but first let's look at the grammar tip. It says you must use a noun or a verb in the gerund after these phrases. Gerund is verb in the ing. Let's apply this tip to a sentence. The first sentence. Thank you so much for. That's a very formal way to say thank you, and then explain why you are saying thank you. The grammar tip tells us we need a noun. Thank you so much for the gift. The gift being a noun. Or we can use a verb in the gerund, ing. Thank you so much for coming. Not thank you so much for come, or thank you so much for to come. Cannot, must use the ing. Thank you so much for coming. We can change so to very. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for coming. A nice formal sentence to say thank you. Even more formal, on the next level, we have we are very grateful for. That's one of our key words, grateful. It means thankful. You're very thankful. Good for formal writing, but again, you can use in a formal situation for speaking. We are very grateful for you coming here today. We are very grateful for the gift, noun or verb in the gerund. And the final one, we really appreciate. Notice there is no for after this. Thank you so much for, thank you very much for, we are very grateful for, we really appreciate. No for. Do not put for after this phrase. But it still needs a noun or a verb in the gerund. So those are 4 formal ways we can say thank you. Let's apply them to sentences so we can practice them a little bit more. All of these sentences are using a noun after the phrase. The phrase is in purple, the sentence is in purple, and the green is the noun, so you can see the difference in the grammatical words. Thank you so much for the gift. We've already heard that one. Thank you so much for plus noun, the gift. Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you very much for your help. Your help, noun. We are very grateful for your choice to travel with us. Your choice is the noun here in this sentence. We are very grateful for, you can put a noun after that phrase. We really appreciate your comments and feedback. We really appreciate your comments and feedback. Your comments and feedback is a noun after that. The next sentence, we're using it in the future. We would really appreciate your comments and feedback. Now the simple future is we will really appreciate your comments and feedback, but we change that to would in a more formal and polite situation. We would really appreciate your comments and feedback to mean something in the future. Please give us some comments and feedback because we would really appreciate them. Comments and feedback are nouns in this sentence. And remember, if you want to ask for something in the future, use the would form of will. It's just a little bit more polite and formal.